Guys, if your computer has a black screen like that and you have the cursor, you're unable to look for any icons, do not worry, have patience and do these steps which I'm going to share, and you will be able to fix it on yourself. So here you need to look at on your keyboard whether it's a desktop or a laptop. The procedure, the steps will remain same. Alright, and this will work on Windows 7, 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11, so no worries. So I'm going to put my camera in the keyboard so that you can press the keys which you need. So here is the keys, and here we need to press together the control button, the alt button and the delete button right here. So once you press all these buttons together, let me do that for you. Control alt delete. So here I'm going to press control alt. It is little tough, but any which way we have to do that. Control alt delete, and you will see a window like this where you have the lock, switch user, sign out, task manager. Now guys, if you're not getting this screen, not a problem, I'll tell you the different way to do that. Alright, so here we have this icon where you can click on power, where you can restart and everything. So you don't have to restart right now, you need to press and hold the shift key now. Just press the shift key together, alright, and without unholding, just keep holding the shift key, click on this power icon, and then we need to click on restart. So I'm going to do that, shift key and then restart. Here we go, I'm going to click on restart. So the moment I click on restart, it will restart the computer, and now we need to wait, and very soon we will have a different window. Thank you for the patience. So you need to press and hold the shift key the way I'm doing it until you see a different window right here. So now we got this option, choose an option, continue, turn off your PC, use a device and troubleshoot. So here we need to select troubleshoot, and then we need to go to this advanced options, and here we have this uninstall updates, and here you can select uninstall the latest quality updates, and the moment you click on that, it will ask for the recovery key, and if you do not know, just try to click on continue, and if it's letting you to do that, that's fine, else you can skip this drive. Let me just click on that and uninstall the quality update. You can do that, and once you are done, if your computer is working fine, that's not an issue. You can enjoy. If it doesn't, we need to click on this troubleshoot again, and here we have this advanced option, and click on startup repair, and this will start fixing, diagnosing and fix your startup issues. So no matter you're using a Lenovo, Asus, HP, Dell, any laptop, this will fix the startup problem. And if you get this startup couldn't repair because it doesn't have any issues, you can go back to advanced option if you still have issues, and then go to troubleshoot, and here we go to advanced option, and then we will try the system restore. So these are the 3 steps through which you can fix your startup issues, the black screen on your computer. And if you do not get this advanced option, the way I have shared, if you do not get this option, what I would recommend is to press and hold the shift key and restart the computer, or what I would recommend is to turn off the PC by just press and hold the power button, and this will turn off the whole computer like this. Alright, now you need to press and hold again, and the moment you see that your computer is turned on, just keep and press and hold just to turn it off. Do this thing for thrice and you will get the your PC did not start correctly, and then you can go to advanced option. So this is how you can fix the black screen, the startup issues on your computer, no matter you're using Asus, HP or any other version, Windows 11, Windows 10. This will fix the problem. You can let me know in the comment section that which step has fixed your problem. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.